Greetings, fellow travelers. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the stunning shores of Ocho Rios, Jamaica, where we'll be exploring the luxurious Moon Palace Jamaica. This all-inclusive resort is a tropical paradise that promises to deliver an unforgettable Caribbean experience. So grab your imaginary sunscreen, and let's dive into this sun-soaked adventure. Let's start by talking about the accommodations at Moon Palace Jamaica. This resort boasts over 700 luxurious suites, each designed to provide the ultimate in comfort and style. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or a family vacation, there's a perfect room waiting for you. The oceanfront suites offer breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea, allowing you to wake up to the sound of gentle waves and the sight of crystal-clear waters. If you're on a budget but still want a taste of paradise, the partial Oceanview suites are an excellent option, providing glimpses of the sea and lush tropical landscapes. Each suite is a haven of relaxation, featuring elegant decor that blends modern luxury with Caribbean aesthetics. You'll find yourself surrounded by soothing colors and plush furnishings that invite you to unwind and forget about the stresses of everyday life. The amenities in these rooms are nothing short of impressive. Imagine having 24-hour room service at your fingertips, so you can satisfy those midnight cravings without ever leaving your cozy bed. Free Wi-Fi keeps you connected to the outside world if you really want to be, while the complimentary calls to the continental US and Canada mean you can share your vacation excitement with loved ones back home without worrying about hefty phone bills. But wait, there's more. Each suite comes equipped with a liquor dispenser, because what's a tropical vacation without a cocktail or two? And let's not forget about the Chi-branded bath amenities that'll make you feel like you're in a spa every time you step into the bathroom. The suites are spacious enough to accommodate families comfortably, though exact square footage isn't listed. But trust us, you won't be feeling cramped in these generous living spaces. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation: the food. Moon Palace Jamaica takes dining to a whole new level with its gourmet culinary experiences. While specific restaurant names aren't detailed online, the resort boasts multiple dining venues that offer a diverse array of international cuisines alongside local Jamaican specialties. Imagine starting your day with a hearty breakfast buffet featuring everything from fresh tropical fruits to made-to-order omelets. For lunch, you might find yourself indulging in authentic Jamaican jerk chicken by the pool, the spicy aromas mingling with the scent of sunscreen and sea air. As the sun sets, the dining options become even more enticing. Picture yourself in an elegant restaurant, savoring a perfectly cooked steak while gazing out at the moonlit Caribbean. Or perhaps you're in the mood for some fresh seafood, caught that very day and prepared with a fusion of Caribbean and international flavors. The best part? It's all included in your stay, so you can eat to your heart's content without worrying about the bill. But what's a tropical vacation without some refreshing drinks? Moon Palace Jamaica has you covered with its premium handcrafted cocktails served at various bars throughout the resort. Fancy a piña colada while lounging by the pool? Head to one of the swim-up bars and order your drink without even leaving the water. As the night progresses, you can explore different bar venues, each offering its own unique atmosphere and drink menu. From classic Caribbean rum cocktails to innovative mixologist creations, there's something to quench every thirst. The dress code for dining is typically smart casual, so you can look your best without feeling overly formal. And while the resort's all-inclusive nature means you generally don't need to worry about reservations, it's always a good idea to check if any special events require advance booking. After all, you wouldn't want to miss out on a romantic beachside dinner under the stars. Speaking of the beach, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at Moon Palace Jamaica. The resort boasts a pristine stretch of sandy beachfront along the picturesque Ocho Rios coast. Here, you can spend your days basking in the warm Jamaican sun, feeling the soft sand between your toes, and taking refreshing dips in the crystal-clear Caribbean waters. The beach service is top-notch, with comfortable loungers, fresh towels, and attentive beverage service, ensuring you never have to lift a finger, except to sip your drink, of course. For those who prefer pools to salt water, Moon Palace Jamaica doesn't disappoint. The resort features multiple pools catering to different preferences. There are kid-friendly pools where little ones can splash and play safely, as well as adult areas for those seeking a more serene swimming experience. But the crown jewel of the aquatic offerings has to be the Flow Rider Double Wave Simulator. This incredible feature allows guests to try their hand at surfing without ever leaving the resort. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete novice, riding these artificial waves is sure to be a thrilling experience. Water enthusiasts will be delighted by the range of non-motorized water sports available. Grab a snorkel and mask to explore the vibrant underwater world just off the beach, or hop in a kayak to paddle along the coastline and admire the lush Jamaican landscape from a different perspective. And if you're content to just relax, you can always lounge by one of the poolside bars, sipping on a tropical cocktail and working on your tan. Now let's talk about activities, because Moon Palace Jamaica is all about keeping its guests entertained. The resort boasts a well-equipped fitness center for those who like to stay active even on vacation. While the exact equipment list isn't specified, you can expect state-of-the-art machines and free weights to help you maintain your workout routine. For those who prefer outdoor activities, the resort offers a range of options to keep you moving and having fun under the Caribbean sun. But the real star of the show when it comes to relaxation and rejuvenation is the spa. Moon Palace Jamaica proudly claims to have the largest spa facility in Jamaica, and it's a haven of tranquility and pampering. While specific treatment types aren't listed, you can imagine a wide array of massages, facials, and body treatments designed to melt away stress and leave you feeling refreshed and renewed. Picture yourself lying on a massage table, the gentle sound of waves in the background, as skilled hands work out every knot and tension in your body. Or perhaps you're more interested in a rejuvenating facial that will leave your skin glowing with that coveted vacation radiance. For families traveling with children, Moon Palace Jamaica is a dream come true. The resort offers a fantastic array of kid-friendly amenities and activities that will keep the little ones entertained throughout your stay. The Playroom Kids Club is a haven for children aged 4 to 12, offering supervised activities that are both fun and educational. Here, kids can make new friends, engage in arts and crafts, play games, and even learn a bit about Jamaican culture. But what about the teenagers? Moon Palace Jamaica hasn't forgotten about them either. The Teens Lounge is a cool hangout spot designed specifically for the older kids. It's equipped with video games, pool tables, and other age-appropriate entertainment options. This gives teens a space of their own where they can socialize with peers and enjoy some independence, under the watchful eye of trained staff, of course. The family-friendly focus extends beyond just the kids' clubs. The resort's multiple pools include areas designed with families in mind, featuring shallow sections for younger children and fun water features. Many of the resort's activities and entertainment options are suitable for all ages, ensuring that families can create lasting memories together. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.